This is the beginner-friendly wig you didn't know you needed for the spring and summer. Thank me later. So I was gifted this natural deep hard water wave lace wig from Studio Cut. I got this from Sam's Beauty. Comes in different colors. I'm absolutely obsessed with this wig. I will leave all the information for this unit as well as pricing in the description box, so make sure you check it out. So in this video, we are going to install this wig. Installation was super beginner friendly, and then we're gonna style her up a bit, so keep on watching. So I'm gonna go off camera and cut the lace and add a little spray on it and then band it down. And here are the final results. I am absolutely loving this unit. It is very realistic, super beginner friendly. Love the length and the fullness. Let me know what you think in the comment sections below. So we are back with a few styles. I have been wearing this unit all week. So I'm just going to show you a couple of different ways that you could style this unit. So let me know which look was your favorite in the comment sections below. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.